So one of the worst forms of abuse that a narcissist will do is reactive abuse. This is one of their biggest weapons that they will do. They will create scenarios, they will create events, anything that they can do to create a scenario that is going to make you look crazy based off of your reaction to their toxic behavior. And then what they will do is they will spin it and twist it and they will make it to look like they were the victim, and look at how unstable and crazy you are. They will do this in the courtroom. They will do this to friends and family. They will do whatever it takes to take a scenario and make your reaction to their behavior to make you look crazy. A lot of times your reaction is more than normal, but what has happened and what's transpired, maybe they are threatening your life, maybe they're lying, maybe they're cheating, maybe they are threatening your financial stability, maybe they're abusing your children, and you're having a reaction to their behavior. And then they will take that scenario, they will use your reaction to what they have created, and they will literally make you look like a completely different person in family court. So if this is something that you are experiencing, you need to really understand how these type of people think and operate. This is why I say that these people are so dangerous, because everything is so calculated. Everything is all by design. Nothing is by accident. So these people will literally come up with scenarios to use against you to make your reaction, to make you look like a completely different person. So one thing that you want to understand so strongly, especially when it comes to family court, is how you react to these type of people, how you communicate inside of the courtroom, but more importantly, how you communicate outside of the courtroom. What you need to respond to, what you don't need to respond to, how you need to behave at parenting exchanges, what you legally can ignore when they are trying to bait you, and what you actually need to address, how to address it. There is so much information to understand. This is why I wanted to come up with a course that is downloadable. You can literally refer to it at any time, if you, regardless of whether you are representing yourself or you are being represented. This will help equip your attorney with everything that you need, because it gives you the tools, how to document, how to communicate, how to behave, what to do inside the courtroom when you are in court, but more importantly, how you need to behave on the day-to-day basis, because the day-to-day basis is how they will build a case against you, and they will make you look like a completely different person in the courtroom. And if you're not careful, they will achieve this. They will win, they will succeed, and they will put your rights as a parent and your parenting time as a parent at risk. So this is something that I created. It's called the Custody Confidence Course. It is on my website. It's $49, and it is a wealth of information that is going to help you to navigate this process. Because if you don't understand family court, I'm telling you, these type of people are so evil. They will concoct scenarios and they will win, because they will make themselves look like the victim and they will make you look crazy. And if you don't understand this, the sooner that you understand this, the better you have a chance at winning in court. But if you don't understand this, you will be a victim of this type of abuse, and the courts tend to favor the parent that looks like the victim, or the parent that looks caring, compassionate, kind, that wants to be involved, when really behind closed doors, they're not doing any of that. So if you do not understand this, you need to understand that this is serious. This is how this type of personality operates. So if you need help navigating this, please head to my website. It's called the Custody Confidence Course, and it's downloadable. Right now, it's $49.